So in this video, we'll do a demonstration of how you might use some basic mathematical tools to measure objects from nature, such as this leaf in the photograph. Suppose we want to measure the length of its left side. So using Photoshop, I extract the leaf from the photograph and place it in Geometry Sketchpad along this grid. Then within Geometry Sketchpad, I place points along the edge of the leaf, and then what I'll do is find the coordinates of the points and develop a regression formula that describes roughly the shape of the leaf. Geometry Sketchpad will give me the coordinates of those points and print them out on the screen. And then I take those coordinates and put them in my TI-83 calculator and run some of the regression programs to find the equation that I might use to model the shape of a leaf. So for example, here's a quadratic model, so a second-degree polynomial equation, which is then placed in Sketchpad and plotted against the shape of a leaf. Or here's another possibility, a cubic model, where we have a third-degree polynomial equation, again plotted against the shape of a leaf. Finally, one more, this time a sign regression, and we find the function h of x that we'll use to model the shape of the leaf. And the way that we will use it is to take this general arc length formula from calculus and take the derivative of the function h and plug it in the formula to calculate the arc length. Now this is fairly difficult to do by hand, sometimes impossible, so we actually put this formula, this integral, into Mathematica, and then Mathematica calculated it and gave the output of roughly 3.29 inches. So that is the arc length of the top of the leaf, given that the length of the center vein is approximately 2.7888 inches. So, of course, this is just the top of the leaf. We could then repeat the process for the bottom of the leaf and then get the total arc length for the leaf. So this is an example of how you could use some basic mathematical tools to measure an object from nature, such as one of the leaves that appeared in that photograph.